winnabago Ford F-53 chassis. We got a problem here. You can hardly turn this wheel, and that's because the bearing's way too tight. The one we just had before this, it ate the whole bearing out of it. One of the things that I noticed with this, low on power and 4 miles to the gallon. Going down 5%, 6% grade, it doesn't gain speed, it slows down. So there's definitely something wrong. I got this off, the grease is still in here. It has a little bit of a burnt smell to it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this castle nut off towards this little spin. We're on a shortage of tools here because we're on the side of the road borrowing. So we'll just see how tight this is. I would say that someone torqued the shit out of it because I can't even get the nut off. So whoever's working for Ford, I heard it's a robot, went bionic on this shit. I'm going to have to go, I don't know, come up with none of the sockets I got will fit it. That isn't going to work with these little channel locks. I actually took them out of somebody's wife's sewing kit. I'd say that's 100 pounds of torque on the freaking thing. But anyways, before I end up stranded on the side of the road, you know, people need to know that this is going on with these F-53s. Premature bearing failure. Bionic arm to turn the wheel. The bearing is way too tight. Probably going to have to go get a wrench to fix it. Other than that, I love the motorhome. My wife hates it. The dog likes it. I think it's cool. But, I mean, this is the stuff that I deal with constantly. Doom and gloom. There you go. Thanks for watching.